Tired of battling dull, frizzy hair that just won't behave? Imagine running your fingers through hair that's not only silky smooth but also shines with a healthy, natural gloss. That's exactly what ANZA Healing Smooth Glossifying Conditioner delivers: sleek, manageable hair that feels soft and looks vibrant every single day. I've personally struggled with thick, coarse hair that's tough to tame. After switching to ANZA Healing Smooth Conditioner, the difference was clear. This conditioner, packed with keratin, doesn't just smooth, it strengthens and restores flexibility to each strand. The lightweight formula glides on easily and rinses out clean, leaving no greasy residue, just soft, shiny hair that moves naturally. It calmed my stubborn curls without weighing them down, making straight styles easier to achieve and maintain. What sets this conditioner apart is its nourishing blend of shea butter and cactus extract. These ingredients work together to rebuild and protect hair from daily damage while deeply moisturizing. The result? Hair that's not only smoother but visibly healthier, with improved color vibrancy and bounce. Plus, it's designed to fight lifelessness and stiffness without sacrificing volume or movement. If you're looking to regain that brilliant shine and smoothness, ANZA Healing Smooth Glossifying Conditioner is worth a look. Use it after shampooing with the matching ANZA Healing Shampoo for best results. Apply generously, rinse thoroughly, and enjoy hair that feels renewed and looks radiant. Whether you want to calm curls or simply add gloss and manageability, this conditioner fits right into your daily routine. Ready to transform your hair care? Try ANZA Healing Smooth Glossifying Conditioner when you're ready to say goodbye to dullness and hello to vibrant, silky strands. It's the simple step that makes a big difference: your hair's natural shine and softness restored.